guys, it's Sam with WTI. I want to tell you all about this super cute wristlet. So I love this. I think it is perfect for a vacation or if you're a mom and you need to throw your stuff in the diaper bag. I was looking for a wristlet that was big enough to hold my phone and my cards for my wallet and a couple other things. I am not a light traveler. This is perfect because it has the little slots for your cards. It has a divider here. It has an inside pocket, and then it also has an outside pocket, which is great. I keep my wallet items actually in here just for a little extra security. But I think it fits an awesome amount of things in here. It fits a phone, like I said, and you still have room. It's not too bulky. See? It's great. So if you are looking for a wristlet type clutch thing, I definitely think you should try this out. As you can see, that can also be a little clutch for a wedding or a date night, anything you need. Definitely think you should try this out, and that is my point of view.